So the first part of the task wanted us to find a base camp between the two places that we wanted to travel to in Kazakhstan. So first we're going to mark those two places with a point. So we wanted to go to this Aktau. So we're going to put a point C on that location. And we wanted to go to Nur Sultan. So we're going to put a point on that location as well. So in order to be equidistant between these 2 points, we need to find that perpendicular bisector. So let's create a line segment between those 2 things. So I'm going to create a segment, and I want to connect Aktau to Nur Sultan. From there, remember, in order to create this perpendicular bisector, you would do like I did in the video you can find on yesterday on the weekly slides. You would create the center with a circle, and then you would find that line in between. Because I want to keep this diagram nice and clear, I'm going to just actually find the perpendicular bisector using the tool that GeoGebra has. So we're going to go from C to D, and it's going to place that perpendicular bisector for us. So if we stated any of these points on this graph, on this new line we created, we would be equidistant between Aktau and Nur Sultan. So I could find a point, I could put base camp here, I could put base camp here, we could go right in the center if we wanted to. I could be closer to this Bisector, maybe down close, maybe I want to be closer down to the border, but any of these points is equidistant between Nur Sultan and Aktau.